What's up, Zappos recruiting team? My name is Michael Salvo, and I have a question for you. Why did the chicken cross the road? Now, most people think that it was to get to the other side, but in reality, he just wanted to go to the mall and get a fresh new pair of chicken sneakers. The chicken didn't know that if he went to Zappos.com, he could get that same pair of sneakers delivered to his door the next day and save him the perilous journey. That's why I'm here. Super excited to apply for the summer brand marketing internship. Alright, a little bit about myself. I graduated from West Virginia University with a major in advertising and a minor in mass communications. I'm currently at the University of Texas getting my master's in advertising. Now, I couldn't possibly tell you all my qualifications and skills in under 2 minutes, so I'll leave you with this. An aspiring Zappos internship applicant once said, "Times are a-changin'." Well, actually that was Bob Dylan, but it's true in the world of marketing too. I mean, think about it. With all the new social trends and different media out there, the brand interaction gets lost. It gets muted. And it takes an innovative, creative, and passionate person to sort through the clutter. And that's why I think I would be the perfect candidate for your internship. Simply put, I'm a problem solver and I love what I do. So, check out my resume and my cover letter. I have my contact information on there. And then, if you like me, I'll fly out to Vegas and hopefully shake your hand. Just remember, guys, if all the chickens in the world knew about Zappos, they'd never be crossing the street again. All right, have a great weekend, guys.